Hello guys, I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to present you a product that is a must for road safety. Unpleasant events on the road don't happen very often, but when they do, it's extremely helpful to have a dash cam. Whether it's insurance fraud, road rage, or car accidents, dash cam footage can save you from a lot of trouble. Now, most dash cams are hard to install, they block visibility or have annoying hanging cables. But in this video I want to show you a different kind of dash cam. I'm talking about an OEM style dash cam that protects you and your family without standing out. The dash cam from Mangoal is almost invisible and delivers excellent video quality. Luckily they sent me one for review, so let's see what this dash cam can do. My camera is for an Audi A4, but on their website you'll find integrated dash cams for many other brands and models. In the box you'll receive a manual specific to the chosen model and another more comprehensive manual that contains the camera's specifications and functions, instructions for the dedicated app, as well as troubleshooting. Then there's the Y cable for powering the camera from the rain sensor, a very useful pry tool for removing plastic trims, a 128GB micro SD card, more than enough for storing the recordings, and of course the dash cam. Here you have the lens, and on the opposite side there's a label with the car model and the micro SD push-push socket. Installation went smoothly according to the instructions. I didn't break a single mounting clip. First I removed the large panel. Then I took out the center trim piece. The camera is hidden inside this last plastic housing, which came off very easily. The camera cable plugs into one of the Y cable's sockets. The Y cable also has a socket for the cable that powers the rain sensor. The camera is already powered. Then we plug the remaining connector into the rain sensor socket. I pressed it in with the pry tool to make sure it was securely connected, and that was it. The housing with the camera clips automatically into position. I clipped in the center trim and hid the cables with the large panel. To me, it looks excellent inside the car, and from the outside the camera is almost impossible to notice. To connect to the camera, you'll need to download the SkyCam app from the Play Store or App Store depending on your operating system. Then connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by the camera. It's the one whose name starts with Wi-Fi and the default password is 12345678. Then launch the app and add the camera. And that's all. Now you have access to the live feed, to the videos stored on the card, and to the settings. Recordings can of course be downloaded, but also edited directly on your phone. In the settings menu you'll find plenty of options including resolution, loop recording duration, or Wi-Fi password change. Now it's time for the long-awaited footage from the dashcam, so I'll leave you with several samples to check out, and I'll also add a few freeze frames. Some sharpness may be lost during rendering, but personally I'm satisfied with both daytime and nighttime footage. Night recordings are challenging as with any dashcam due to the small light sensor. After testing the camera, I've reached several conclusions. It was easier to install than my old camera and I got rid of the annoying power cable. It no longer takes up the power socket as it's powered directly from the rain sensor. It has an OEM look, so it doesn't stand out at all. The video quality is just as good as that of the 70 MIA camera I had stuck to the windshield. And with this camera I can change the settings directly from the app. When it comes to the price, only you can decide if it's a good investment or not. And that's all guys, hope you liked my review. If you want to buy the camera, don't forget to use the discount code that I provided in the video's description.